Hello friends, it's Reza. Welcome to channel Reza Blade. We've come to number 23 daily review out of 30, and I am reviewing 10 of a series of the next in the series of Mezerdoo plates that I got in the mail from China today. And I have spent all day swatching them for you, or not all day, but you know, I have swatched them for you so that you may see them in all their glory. The other one thing I wanted to tell you guys about is this saga of the replacement. I was about to give the Mezerdoo store their walking papers. I was really done ordering Mezerdoo plates until this shipment came. About 6 months ago, I got a C10 that had no torso, and I let them know, and I've been letting them know that I did not get any replacement for the last 6 months. And this past time they said, "Oh friend," you know, because they know I have a video channel. They said, "Friend, we know you have some subscribers. We have some new plates for you to order." And I said, "I still haven't ordered your last plates because you never sent me that replacement C10 plate, and I'm not ordering until I get it." And I said, "You know what, I'm going to take one more chance on you guys, but if this is not in this shipment, then I'm not ordering from you guys anymore." And lo and behold, C10 was in this shipment, and I am very excited because this was really all set to be my favorite plate in the 10 series. So anyway, let you guys know I did get it. So when ultimatumed, they do eventually deliver. I think that was my second ultimatum to them. So it didn't really work the way an ultimatum is supposed to, but anyway. So I got this package. This is their 30 series. So here we go. I'm going to take you through them, and then I'm going to take you through the swatches. The buffet plates I didn't really wholeheartedly swatch. Now, different people have different ways of looking at buffet plates. I have, or infinity plates, however you choose to refer to them. I have a little Captain Crunch box that I've cut a little square out of. I'll show him to you guys sometime. But you can cut a nail-shaped swatch out of any piece of paper and just sort of, unless you have the the shape plates that some brands do, and then you can use those shape plates to kind of pick out an image on these. But anyway, so we have 31. Lots of flowers, lots of leaves. We have 32 with a couple different sizes of mesh and a bunch of different flowers. I like this little scroll here. And this is available in a package of 10. Their new 40 series is not available in a package of 10 yet, and I generally don't order them until they do come up with those packages. Got a henna plate from them, number 33. I really like this one here with that half moon cutout. Very fun. Generally speaking, these always make great decal plates. 34, we start with the real images. This was the one that they timed to come out around Valentine's Day. So you'll start to see some love images, and here I think is still their New Year's themed plate. Although have some random bows here. Got some fun flowers. Those would be fun to color in. 34. 35. Here's where the love images are really happening. Sometimes Mezerdoo plates just get these images that I don't understand. Like we've got some hearts and, I mean, we got some flowers and a cobweb and a couple of skeleton pieces. And it's not really traditionally drawn. Not in like an attractive way. Because generally speaking, I could do with some, you know, roses and cobwebs and bones, you know, but not in this particular incarnation. You'll see that this is almost a direct copy of one of the Born Pretty plates. This thumbprint with the nail. Number 36. I really like this image a lot. Dust all flying all over here from something. I don't get these paper airplanes with the sunglasses in the middle. I just don't get it. But I like a lot of these images. I do like them. So that's plate 36. Like the rings. Plate 37. Some more flowers. Not henna images this time, but flower images that would be good colored in. These would be great LED lighting images. $37. $38. Got some animals. Not very well drawn animals, whatever they are. Are they dogs? I don't know. Poorly drawn bones. So that's one thing that Mezerdoo has is, you know, they've got these great images, but I mean, like a bear in the middle of shattered glass, like what is that? Are we, you know, but then they've got this great little dog with the rabbits. I mean, that's cute, and I will probably grab that for a manicure without the surrounding foliage. 39, got a sports plate. Olympic torches. And 40 leaves. I love this one. I've already done this, a manicure out of that one. You can see it on my Instagram tomorrow, I think. All right, so let me show you. I wasn't really assiduous about swatching number 31. I got a couple of good images, and then I was trying to swatch with this thing, and I was letting it dry too long, I think. And it wasn't working out. 32, I wanted to make sure that I represented the mesh. So we've got a couple of designs with the mesh. 33. Oh, this is from 40. I had to come back to this page. Anyway, 34. We start getting some of the individual images, some beer and wine, and the bows stamped really well. This, I couldn't get this middle tier with the fireworks and stuff. I couldn't get really good stamps out of that, although I got a better one here. And then here's some more images. All right, let's get the next side of the plate. 35. Okay, and here I started doing individual colors because we started coming up with some images that are directly stampable. All right, 36. Got that couple. Some clinking champagne flutes. Butterflies, hearts, and those strange airplanes. All right, 37. $38. Like that kangaroo with the Joey inside. Some cobras with some flowers. These owls, I re-stamped them down here because I didn't get a really good stamp. Some bunnies. Good dog image. All right, C39. And then I went to the back for C40. Some Hawaiian flowers here. Some more leaves. Some fun flowers. Some leaves. Some feathers or leafy feathers and roses. And this was the one I kept trying to get. It looks like a, it actually reminds me of a Uber Chic image. Oh, I finally got it. Here we go. And pretty flowers. All right. So those are my Mezerdoo plates. Thank you for joining me for that preview of all those images. If you like them, they can be got. By the time this video posts, I should have a link up for those plates. And thank you for joining me tonight. Please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And I would love it for you to like this video and comment or ask questions below. Thank you so much, and you have a great night, rest of the day.